Hi guys, welcome to my Raspberry Pi tutorial. So in this tutorial now we are going to see how to download Raspberry OS from internet. So for that you open up a browser and you just want to search Raspberry OS in Google. So it will take you to the official website of Raspberry Pi. Go to the downloads and now you can see three different OS. So we are going to download the recommended version. You click on download zip, so it will download the OS in zip format. So inside that zip file there will be an image file, so we need to extract that. This zip file is almost 2.5 GB size, so it's getting downloaded. You just save it in your PC, and after getting downloaded you need to extract that. So let's download the OS. Hello guys, hope you have downloaded the Raspberry OS. So I have downloaded into my PC. You can see here I have downloaded and extracted the file. I got the image file in my PC. So we need a tool now to write this image file into Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to download a tool called Win32 that will help us to write the image into the memory card. So for that you just search Win32 disk manager. I will share the link below the description so that you can download it very easily. So download the download the software. It's around an KB size only. This is the tool we are using in Windows. So for Mac and Linux you need to use different tool. So there are lots of tools for image writing are available. You can download according to your wish. So I'm going to use that software now. I have already installed that software in my PC, so I'm just going to open that right now. It's getting open. It's so you can see a small UI here. I'm going to insert the memory card in my laptop. You can use card adapter or SD card adapter, and you just need to format the memory card. So make sure that it's empty and nothing is there. You can see my memory card. It's a 16 GB memory card I am using here. So just format the memory card. And the formatting is completed. So let's write the image into this memory card. So open up the folder path which you are saved your image file. So in my case I am going to open my image file in the OS section. Okay, you can see the image is loaded into that path. So now we need to write the image into the memory card. So click on write, and it will take some time. So let's wait till the image writing is completed. Okay guys, so the memory card loaded with the OS right now. It's written successfully. So click on OK, and now just open that memory card. You can see a lot of files there. These are the files available inside Raspberry Pi. So based on OS. So now we need to enable SSH and VNC, that's virtual network connection, in Raspberry Pi, so that you can view the desktop and you can do operation inside Raspberry Pi. You need a connection with that one. So you need to connect Raspberry Pi with your network, and after that you can view its desktop and all. So let's check how to do that kind of things in Raspberry Pi in my upcoming chapters. So stay tuned, we are going to do lots of things with Raspberry Pi. See you in my next chapter.